Has it ever crossed your mind why Christians refer to their church bodies as denominations? Others even go ahead to shed conventional labels and call themselves non-denominational. But all for this one simple reason you will discover by the end of this video. Christianity is the faith tradition that focuses on the figure of Jesus Christ and helping others to know Jesus Christ. Faith tradition referring to both trust and content of their faith. Therefore, Christianity is both a living tradition of faith and culture that faith leaves behind. It teaches salvation and redemption from sin. Thus, all Christians preach salvation and redemption. So then, why many groups yet preaching the same message? There's never been a united Christianity, says Professor Dyer-Maid McCulloch. Here's the thing. Christianity has three major denominations, i.e. Catholicism, Orthodoxy, Protestantism. And most interesting, not all Orthodox are Christians. Isn't that fascinating? So where do these three spring from? For the Orthodox Christian body, the dividing line is drawn at doctrines of the Trinity and deity of Christ. This criteria excludes the Mormons, Watchtower Society, and Society of Friends. Describe these brethren if you know them. Can you imagine where the three groups came from and how? Christianity emerged in Palestine from present-day Judaism. It's a fact, which spread widely in the then Roman Empire and beyond, following the intense persecution and doctrinal disputes of the early church. Ecumenical councils were established. The question is how the transition from early church occurred, and which was the first Christian group to split, and from what and why. Keep around as we explore this history and facts.